ko lang ito kanina. So, i-unbox natin ngayon ay itong DJI Tello Quadcopter Drone. Yan. Kabibili ko lang siya kanina. So, i-unbox natin siya na ngayon. Okay, nabili ko siya 149 dito sa Challenger. 149 member, ano na yun, member price siya. So, simulan na natin i-unbox. Okay, i-read muna natin yung description nitong DJI Tello Quadcopter Drone. Kulay white yung available na nakita ko. So, yun ang kinuha ko. So, ito ay ayan. Basahin natin yung description niya. 13-minute max flight time. Okay. 720 pH3 transmission. Precise hovering. Meron siyang multiple flight modes. 5 MP photos. Easy operation daw siya. Electronic image stabilization. So, stabilize siya. Programmable with the Tello SDK. So, start na natin siyang i-unbox. By the way, meron siyang kasamang flight battery pack. Ayan, kasama siya doon sa binili ko. Ito siya. So, ituloy natin itong pag-unbox natin. Tingnan natin itong manual yung nasa box. So, simulan natin lahat kung anong laman. So, isa na dito itong manual na to. So, first na laman niya is itong actual na. Ang sabi ay aircraft. Ito yung drone. This is my first vlogging buddy. So, guys, gusto ko siyang pangalanan. So, tulungan niyo ako mag-isip. So, just comment down below what is the best name for my vlogging buddy. Okay, hintayin ko ang sagot nyo. Okay, next. So, this is the set, the aircraft. Next is the spare propellers. So, I got 4 spare propellers. So, pag nasira itong mga to, pwede ko siyang palitan. Okay, next is the flight battery. This is the flight battery. Okay. Mamaya, pag-aralan natin kung paano natin i-insert ito sa drone natin. Okay. Ito yung spare na battery. Kasama sa binili ko. Push siya. Kasi wala pa ako ng charger. So, kaya binigyan pa tayo ng isang free battery. Then, next is the propeller removal tool. Ito yung tanggal ng propeller. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Tingnan naman natin yung parts nitong body ko. Okay, let's proceed to the parts of this drone. First is the camera. This is the camera of the drone. And then, these are the propellers. And these are the guards of the propellers. Okay. And then, this one. This is the place where you put the battery. Alright? So, this is it. Okay guys, isa-isahin natin yung parts nitong drone natin. First is yung propellers niya. Ito yung ating propellers ng ating drone. Yan ang mga propellers. Next is yung motors. motors. Ang motors niya ay nasaan yung motors niya? Ito yung pinakang motors niya. Ayan. After nung propellers. Next is the aircraft status indicator. Okay. Okay, makikita nyo yung aircraft status indicator sa tabi siya ng camera. Ayan. Siguro pag nag-on na siya, makikita natin yung ilaw dyan na nag-work siya. The next is for the camera. Ito yung camera natin. And then 5 is the power button. The power button is at this area. Okay. So, yan yung power button. Next is 6, yung antennas. Where are those the antennas? So, these all the antennas at the bottom part of these propellers. So these are the antennas. Next is vision positioning system. Okay, nasan yung visioning position system na yan? Okay, is just behind here. This is the vision positioning system. Ayan o. Okay, then 8, the flight battery. Okay, the flight battery, we're going to insert here the battery. Next is micro USB port. Okay, this is the micro USB port. There you are. So if you want to charge it, you can plug in here. And then last one is the propeller guards. The propeller guards are this. These are the propeller guards. Okay, yan. Tapos na tayo sa parts. Try natin i-insert ngayon ang battery. And guys, i-insert na natin tong battery sa ating drone. So this is the battery, and then you need to insert from this. So just insert it. Make sure this thing is towards to the drone. So you just insert it, and then you mali pala. Okay, this is the way we're going to insert the battery. Okay, so just insert. Okay, and then when you hear the click, it means it's properly inserted. Okay, so before we use this one, we need to charge the battery using the USB port here for 1 hour and half an hour. Alright, then we can use it. So we're going to charge it first, and then while charging, I need to download the apps. I need to download the apps, the Tello app. Okay, after I download everything and charge this drone, then we start to test how it works. Okay, see you guys. So we're going to charge it now. So I got the spare plug, this cable, and then the box didn't provide any cable, the USB cable. So I have the spare, so we just use it and then charge it. So see you later on. Bye. So batayaw. Okay, it's look like it's charging now. Okay, wait for another 1.5 hours.
Tumaas na yung pulsa ko. Hindi dapat, sin. Hand lang din eh. Kasi ka, pangarap kita try.